Replacing these rusty windshield wiper arms on the 2002 Avalanche today. We've already installed the driver's side and learned a few things in the process, so we're ready to install the passenger side now. Before we begin to remove the arm, we applied painter's tape to mark the wiper blade on the windshield. It will definitely help when putting back the new one. We already removed the dust caps that cover the nut from each arm. They just unclip off and they will be reused since the new wiper arms don't provide new ones. These clip on the nut and not on the wiper arm. It's a good idea to spray some lube on the nuts at least 5 minutes before you start unbolting them, especially if it's been 20 years and never replaced. You will need a 13mm socket and a pulley. When ordering the new wiper arms, you will need a driver's side and a passenger side. There is a difference between them. One way to tell them apart, the passenger side has one nozzle and the driver's side has two spray nozzles. When pulling the plastic elbow fittings from the rubber insert, be careful, they break easy. A broken piece is still in there. We will find out if it will interfere. Looking at the new one that comes with the wiper arm, shows how thin it is. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's start taking off the passenger side by unbolting the 13mm nut. Slide the pulley ears under the bottom of the arm and drive it into the threaded shaft to make it release. This is a pressed, tapered fit, so don't try to drive it out all at once. Just put pressure and give it some time. It should pop right out, and when it does, it may even scare you a bit. Slide the wiper blade from the old arm onto the new. Then line it up on the threaded stud and make sure the hose is up and over the top side of the stud and the blade is on the taped mark, because if it's off a tooth or more, it will affect the sweep on the windshield and wipers may hit the edge trim around the windshield. Then push the arm into the stud and put the nut on. Tighten to 22 foot-pounds if interested. Carefully insert the hose elbow and adjust it to make sure it doesn't get caught on anything. Give it a test, making sure the nozzles are flowing with plenty of pressure and wipers are not touching the edge trims around the windshield. Reinsert the plastic dust caps on the nuts and take the tape off. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.